Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, do you want to drastically reduce your painting time? Check out this roller kit from PinStone. Now, I don't know if you've ever used an 18-inch roller, but wow, does it cover fast. So this kit comes with a roller frame, which is adjustable. So it can fit 12-inch to 18-inch rollers. It comes with an extension pole, so it comes in different segments, so you can adjust from anywhere between 1 foot to 5 feet. And it comes with 3 18-inch roller sleeves. The roller sleeves are a really nice quality. They're thick, they're absorbent. I did notice a lot less splatter as well. So they are definitely a nice quality. We washed ours to be able to reuse it, so you can use this many times. The pole goes together really easily. You just put the number of extensions you'd like, you tighten it up, and then you're ready to use it. Now keep in mind that with an 18-inch roller, you also need an 18-inch paint tray, which we did not have. So we improvised and we used a bucket, but definitely keep that in mind when you're using a big roller like this. The end caps are also removable, so you can use a 12-inch roller. We were really pleased with how this sped up our project. We're looking forward to using this over and over to get every job done faster. So if you're looking for a high quality roller, but that also will get the job done really nice and speedy, then I think you'll really like this one. And that's my point of view.